Hello, I'm Rivera. I'm a software developer at WunderGraph. Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of our new groups system. This is the group management screen where you can create new groups, see the members and API keys that have been assigned to them, as well as modify and delete them. Groups are composed of rules, and a rule is composed of a role and resources. Groups can have multiple rules, but a role can only appear once in a group. Meaning, I see organization developer here, I'm not able to add another organization developer. Same if I add a graph admin, I will not be able to apply another admin for the graphs. When selecting the resources for the graph, you can see that I can select either a specific graph or a namespace. If I select a namespace, this group will have access to all the graph in this namespace, as well as creating new ones. However, if I select a specific graph or all the graph in the namespace, I will only have access to modify those graphs. In the case of admin, a viewer would only have access to view always. And same for the subgraphs. If I select the subgraph here, I can see that I can select the namespace, and the same rule applies. If I select the namespace for the admin, I will be able to create new subgraphs for this namespace, or I can select all the subgraphs for this federated graph, for example, which are part of the second federated graph. So both are selected every time as they are a single resource in the system. When deleting a group with members, API keys, or OIBC mapper, I will get a warning asking me to select the group I want to move the members, API keys, and mappers to. In this case, I only have members assigned to this group, so it's only mentioning the members. I can select viewer, type the confirmation, and delete. As you can see, all the members have been moved to the corresponding group, and in case there were any API key, they will have been moved also to the member as well as the mappers. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.